Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to set the permissions on your Microsoft Teams and manage member permissions. Microsoft Teams is an incredible tool for collaboration, and by controlling members' permissions, you can ensure a secure and productive environment. So, let's get started. If you are the owner of the team and want to restrict what people can do in your team, or you want to be able to control who has access to the team, just go to the team where you want to restrict the permissions and click on ellipsis in front of Team Group. Then click on the Edit Team option. Here, you will see the team name and description, and down the bottom, you will get a privacy option where you can select either public or private. So, public basically means anybody in your organization can join the team, whereas private allows you to choose who can join the team. So, when someone asks you to join the team, and it is private, you will get the notification to add that person to the team, and you can decide whether to add or not. To manage member permissions is to go back to the ellipsis of Team, and select Manage Team from the drop-down. You will see multiple options such as Members, Channels, Settings, Apps, and Tags here. So, if you select the Settings tab here, you will see a Member Permissions option. You can actually turn off the different permissions to manage the member permissions as per your choice. So, in this way, you can set or manage member permissions in your team. As you know, Microsoft Teams is a popular collaborative platform. It contains lots of confidential data, and losing it can be hazardous for your organization. So, to keep it secure, we suggest you take a backup of the team's data by using Kernel Microsoft Teams Migration to quickly migrate your entire team's data, including chats, channels, conversations, files, etc. Check out the complete features of the software from its webpage. Thanks for watching the video.